family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is mainly about DIY, natural hair and beauty, but lately I decided to start including like a vlog style video because I think many people are getting tired with just natural hair. They want to see other things too. So today video gonna be like a vlog style video. We got a lot to do. Hubby wants to learn how to make the carrot growth oil too. So today we'll be making, is it the fifth batch of the carrot oil since we launched last week or two? I will see the exact time we launched, but since then this is the either the fourth or fifth batch that we are making because this carrot oil cannot stay in stock for long. You guys are pre-ordering at the moment it is ready. All those are pre-ordered, their order goes out first because you pre-order, so you are in the system first, and then by the time we are done with all the pre-order, the ones that are left is very little, and then I have to get right back to making more. But luckily we went to Publix and we raid the whole of Publix with their carrots. Actually, Hubby went to pick that up with mom, my mother-in-law, and they said they caught a lot of people staring at them. There were even people asking them, what are you guys going to go and do with all of those carrots? But however, we got our carrots in. We got a lot of the ingredients in, but we are running short of the horsetail herb. We already ordered some from Amazon and it's probably going to arrive today or tomorrow, but I have enough to make this batch. First of all, I want to clear my counter, clear everything out, sterilize everything down, have everything completely clean. Yes, my family called me germ phobic. I don't love germs. I don't love dirt. I love everything to be sparkling clean. When I'm making my ingredients, when I'm making food for the house, I have to make sure I sterilize everything down. My surrounding is clear and clean before I can start working. So this is what I'm going to do. I have a lunch in the oven right now, making lunch for me to eat something. While the lunch is on, I'm just going to clear the counter and then sterilize down all those dishes. I'm going to pack them up. I'm going to pack this up. This is how my work area is looking, so I'm just going to clear everything up, clean everything, sterilize everything down, and then we will start our carrot oil. Hubby is downstairs getting the oils because we have these big drums. Is it the 50-gallon drums? That's what we have. So he's just pumping them up and bringing it upstairs, and then we will, after I'm done cleaning up this place, and we will start making our carrot oil. Okay family, so I'm done packing most of the things up. I just had my first meal of the day and it's already after 2 p.m. And then I'm just going to take one of my biotin hair, skin and nails pills supplement because some people don't like the word pills. I'm going to take my supplement, and then Hubby is up. He's done doing what he had to do downstairs, and we're going to start making it all. And yes, this is working for me, and it was working for Hubby so much that he had to stop it. Hey babe, what's your review on the biotin?
It works. It works too well. If you're a guy, you don't like to cut your nails more than once a week, you probably
Don't you say stay away from it.
Biotin works too good. I'm back to my regular. I don't mind trimming my nails once every 2-3 weeks, but once a week is too much. That biotin works. It really works. You want long nails, it'll do it.
You want long hair? It will also
Yeah,
do
it's
it
your
because it's
beautiful long
growing in
hair.
my hair. Hey babe, how is it going? Hubby really serious to learn how to make the carrot grow forward. So he's on his first learning step. And the first one is to sterilize the whole place down. You know, if you want to learn, you need to start from where, babe?
From the basics.
From the basics all the way to the top. And work your way up. Do you remember this movie? Babe, what's the name of that movie?
Karate Kid.
Not Karate Kid. Mr. Miyoki.
Which was the Karate Kid, baby.
No,
Yes.
I'm talking about our movie that we're watching right now. The not right now. The LaRusso. Cobra Kai.
Is the Karate Kid, baby. It came from the Karate Kid.
Yes, but in the Karate Kid, did he make him to start doing just the petty jobs or what?
In the Karate Kid?
Yes.
When he did all of that stuff, where wax on, wax off. And he was
Oh,
showing
okay.
to paint the house or paint the fence.
Mm-hmm.
He did all of those different things in the Karate Kid.
Okay.
Cobra Kai, Daniel's son was trying to do the same thing with his students.
Oh, okay. Then I need to watch the Karate Kid again because I can't remember that. I only remember it in Cobra
This
Kai.
is why I love watching
To watch
movies
one
with you,
movie 100
because
times.
I like to watch movies a lot, and I know if I really like a movie, I'll watch it again. But with the wife, it's always a new movie because she doesn't remember anything.
Whatever. I'm just not weird like you. Sit down and watch the same movie over and over and over and over and over.
Right, because for you, it's always a new movie to watch the same movie over and over.
Okay, you want to pick on me? You see what? For now, I'm your teacher. And you want to pick on your teacher, you just got yourself in serious trouble.
That's how I always got myself in trouble.
Yes, that mouth always get you in trouble.
Anybody that went to school with me,
And you never learn.
it's that mouth.
That mouth.
The sarcasm that always would get me in trouble.
Yes,
I don't know how to
does.
live without it though.
That's how you continue always be in trouble.
Everybody's got to do something.
Okay, so we're gonna finish the sterilization and then we will move to the next step. Family, so kitchen is all clean and sterilized. I have all the ingredients lined out. I'm just waiting for our utensils and our pots to get clean. I threw that into the dishwasher. So let me just show you all our carrots lined up and also all our oils and herbs line up. Making this carrot is very difficult, so this was just the first process. Just got all the ingredients out, and then once our pots get clean, I put it in the dishwasher to wash. Once it get clean, we'll take it out, dry it, and then start to blend the carrots and to just do the first process, because this process takes us 3 to 4 days to get it ready. But yeah, this is just the first step. Girls are having their lunch. Aurora, what are you eating? Doesn't that sound so nice?
She has her minion fork and her minion plate.
I didn't get to you, baby. What are you eating? I just love the way she pronounced it. So nice. Blender is bigger. It can take 2 bags. A previous blender, it will take only 1.5 bags. Okay, family, so we are finally done with the first step. Hubby was a really, really great help and a fast learner because this is his first time being with me from the beginning for him to see everything, and he also going to be with me to the end because he also want to learn how to do it or just learn some part that he can start doing it until I come in and help. But yes, so far I still measure all the ingredients because I know all the measurements and all the ingredients. But like helping to blend the carrots and measuring the oils into the carrot to blend it, he did that part. And I was even finding it difficult for him to do it. And he was like, you know what? I'm tired of cleaning. You only want me to come and help you just for me to keep cleaning. I'm done cleaning. I now want to know the actual recipe. I now want to help you make the actual ingredients. So I was like, okay, then you take over blending of the carrot. And guess what? His first step, he made a mistake. And I was like, you know what? That's why I started you off with cleaning. You should have stayed at the cleaning job. Or he bust up and started laughing. He's like, I wish we had that on tape. It was just so funny. So we are done with the first step. Now the carrots just going to slowly simmer over a very gentle heat for almost 10 hours. Yes, that's a lot of gas that I'm using, but it have to simmer very slowly. You cannot rush this process. And then I have to stir it every 10 minutes. Sometimes I'm coming and stirring it every 5 minutes, so I just have to sit to this table and keep coming to stir it every 10 minutes. And then after that, we'll leave it overnight and then continue to the next process tomorrow by screening it and then letting it settle down again. And then the next day, we will screen it again, test to see that there is no water under it. If there is water under it, we'll have to put it back again to slowly simmer. It's a process. I don't know why I love difficult things, but nothing could come easy, right? So, but it is on right now. I'm gonna leave it on, and then I don't know. I think I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here. Not too sure. Maybe I will continue it, but if I end it here, then thank you so much for spending time with us, and thank you so much for being a full supporter. My whole house is now turned into a business, a warehouse. Maybe I should make a video one day and show you guys everything that we are doing, our various offices and various locations of all the things. If you want to see a full entrepreneur vlog, leave comments down below and I will show you guys. And I'm also going to start educating you guys on our family channel, the Zinchuk family, our business. If you want to know more about our business, how we started, where we are right now, where we are going, and I have a lot of idea on business because since I was born, I've never worked for anyone. I started my own company when I was almost out of high school in Ghana. And since then, I just been owning my own business and I was able to travel around the world and enjoy life. Now that I relocated to America, I'm still hobby just. What do you want to say? You want to finish that conversation?
No, I just said you're bigger than ever now. You've been more blessed than you've ever been in your whole life.
That's true. And with my lovely husband beside me, we are able to make it possible. And as you guys just keep growing, this light is a little bit bad. You need to come this way. Oh yeah, so head over to the Zinchuk family and subscribe to our family channel. It's fun.
Yes, a lot of fun. You get to see the beans and see Sonia having a blast, being kids.
Yes.
And we get to be kids a little bit too.
A lot of time. Okay, family. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give us a
Thumbs up.
leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.